Hello, teacher. So now I decided to create a tutorial on how you're going to conduct this textbook, which is 5-minute vocabulary quiz. Well, I have noticed that some of the teachers are not familiar yet kung paano ba nila ituturo ng tama yung textbook na to. Okay, so now I hope after this video, you will be able to know how to deliver this textbook properly. Okay, so of course, as usual, greetings is always there. Huwag kakalimutan. So after the speaking speed, so i-confirm mo kay student. So I can see here that you chose 5-minute vocabulary quiz, middle number 11 to 15, for example. Okay. So, of course, once the student confirmed, then you start the lesson. Okay, so let's start. So, of course, we already know that Native Camp's textbook has a script already. So, ang kailangan nyo lang gawin is basahin yung mga red text as your guide. Okay, so let's have vocabulary 11. Okay, so I will read the meaning of the word. Please listen carefully. So it's a noun. The place where someone is going or where something is being sent or taken. So can you guess the word with this clue? I will give you 10 seconds. So count ka ngayon. Mahina lang. Kasi baka hindi makapag-isip ng tama yung student mo kung lalakasan mo yung pagbibilang. Okay? So, after 10 seconds, tanungin mo na si student mo. Balikan mo siya. Do you have an answer already? Okay, pag sinabi niya na wala pa, then that's the time that you will give the student the next clue, which is yung clue number 2. Okay? So, nakalagay naman dito na if the student has the correct answer, kung tama o nag-guess niya na agad yung tamang word, i-click mo na to. Okay? If the student has no idea about the word, then go to clue number 2. Okay? So, ang scenario na gagawin muna natin ngayon is hindi pa alam ni student yung sagot. Okay? So, click mo to kung hindi siya makasagot. Okay, so this time, I will give you the second clue. I will type the synonyms into the chat box and read it. Please listen carefully. Ngayon, kuhanin mo to. Type mo sa chat box and then basahin mo. Okay, the first synonym is goal. Next, finish line. Next, target. Lastly, end. So now, can you guess what the word is? I'll give you 10 seconds again. Ganon. So, bilang ka ulit ng 10 seconds. After 10 seconds, balikan mo si student mo kung meron na ba siyang sagot. Kung wala pa rin, so, same. Pag may sagot na si student, i-click mo lang to. Pag wala pa rin siyang sagot, go to clue number 3. Okay? So, this time, please look at the pictures carefully. So, I will give you 10 seconds. Okay? 10 seconds again. And then, after that, balikan mo si student. Don't forget to cheer your student. Okay? Cheer mo sila na kaya mong sagutin yan. For example. Okay? So, after that, masagot man o hindi ni student ang tamang word, then pupunta ka na ng pronunciation. Kasi kumbaga pinaka-last na clue na tong si number 3. Actually, yung textbook na to is my most favorite textbook. Kasi nag-enjoy ako dito. Para lang kayong naglalaro ni student. Okay? So, after mo mabigay yung pangatlong clue na to, tapos hindi pa rin masagot ni student, Then, proceed na kayo dito. Okay? So this time, I will type the phonetic symbols into the chat box. Please repeat after me. Okay? Pronunciation. Or, bago mo sabihin to, kung hindi pa rin nakuha ni student yung sagot, ibigay mo na sa kanya. Okay? That's okay. If you cannot guess the word, I will give you the answer to that. Okay? So the word is destination. Okay? So dito mo makikita yung tamang word or tamang vocabulary na pinapa-guess mo kay student. Okay? So after that, pronunciation kayo. Ayan. So I will type the phonetic symbols into the chat box. Please repeat after me twice. Ilagay mo to sa chat box. And then repeat after you twice. Okay? Pag na-repeat niya na, okay, very good. Let's move on to the next activity. Okay, so I'll type the hidden word into the chat box. Let's read these sentences. Please repeat after me twice. Okay? Ang ilalagay mo lang sa chat box ay yung hidden word, which is this one. Hindi mo ilalagay yung buong sentence. Okay? Alright, so after that, pag nabasa nyo na to, then move on na kayo sa next activity, which is, let's make a sentence. So this time, please look at the picture carefully. I want you to make a sentence that is related to the picture by using today's vocabulary. So first, I will give a sample sentence and type it into the chat box. Okay, kukuhanin mo lang to. Lagay mo sa chat box. So the sample sentence is, my next destination is New York. Okay? So now it's your turn. Ngayon, siya naman ang gagawa ng sentence. Okay? Pag nakagawa na siya ng sentence and wala namang grammar mistakes, well, ito na yung sasabihin mo. Okay, so we are done with this word now. Let's move on to the next word. Okay? But, of course, kung meron namang grammar mistakes, you need to correct it muna bago mo to basahin. Okay? So, yun yung first scenario natin. Pag hindi nasagot ni student yung word na pinapag-guess mo sa kanya. Okay. Ngayon, ano naman yung gagawin mo kung mahulaan agad ni student? Okay? Alright, so ganito. Okay, so let's have vocabulary 11. So you will have to guess the vocabulary word from the given clues. Okay? So I'll give you the first clue. I'll give you the meaning of the word. Please listen carefully. So this word is a noun. Okay? The meaning is the place where someone is going or where something is being sent or taken. Okay, can you guess the word with this clue? I'll give you 10 seconds. Okay, after 10 seconds, balikan mo si student. Can you guess the word now? Pag sinabi niyang, yes, teacher, my answer is destination. Okay, paano mo ma-check kung tama yung sinagot niya? Scroll down kang konti, makikita mo dito. Okay, huwag kayong manghuhula kung tama. Huwag niyo sasabihin agad na tama kung hindi mo pa na-check kung ano yung correct word. Okay, may nangyari kasang ganyan before. So, ngayon, kapag nahulaan na ni student, ito na yung i-click mo. Kasi sabi nga, if the student has the correct answer. So, i-click mo na to. Synonyms. Okay? So, eto na siya. Okay? So, this time, please give me the synonyms of today's word. You have 10 seconds. Dapat makapagbigay, hindi naman siya dapat. Magbibigay si student ng synonyms nung word na destination. Okay? You have 10 seconds. Pag hindi nakapagbigay si student mo ng synonyms, okay lang. bigay mo na lang sa kanya yung mga synonyms. Okay? After that, dire-diretso lang. Dito ka na. Pronunciation. Tapos, let's read the sentences. And then, let's make a sentence. Ganun lang. Okay? Kapag nag-guess na ni student, yung tamang sagot dito sa unang clue pa lang, hindi ka na pupunta sa pangalawang clue. Kasi nga, nahulaan niya na. Okay? Ibig sabihin, hindi mo na kailangan magbigay ng another clue kasi nga, nahulaan niya na. Okay? So, I hope that's clear. So, after that, pupunta na kayo dun sa next word. Okay? Dire-diretso lang. Hanggang makarating ka ulit hanggang dito. Tapos, let's move on to the next word. Okay? Skip mo lang to, ha? Skip mo lang to. Kasi nakalagay dito na this are pictures for the last 5-minute review. Okay? So, punta ka muna ng vocabulary 12. So, same. Ganun ulit. Mag-uumpisa ka sa meaning. Tapos, pag nahulaan agad, i-click mo to. Diretso ka na ng synonyms. Tapos, diretso ka na dito sa pronunciation. Diretso ka na ng let's read the sentences. And let's make a sentence. Okay? Itatama mo yung grammar kung may kailangan itama. At kung wala naman, then end mo na yung end that part using this script. Okay? But again, kapag hindi naman nasagot agad ni student, clue number 1 muna. Pag hindi niya masagot muna, bibigay mo yung clue number 2 and then ibibigay mo yung clue number 3. Okay? That's how you're going to conduct this textbook. Ma-enjoy nyo din to kasi para lang kayong naglalaro ni student. Okay? So that's it. Thank you so much. I hope nakatulong sa inyo and hopefully next time alam niyo na kung paano niyo siya i-deliver. So thank you so much.